Welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be showing you how to add an emoji as a community photo in WhatsApp web. Let's get started. Step 1. Open WhatsApp. Step 2. Go to your community. Step 3. Click on the three dots. Step 4. Select Announcements Info. Step 5. Go to the Announcements Community tab. Step 6. Click on the community icon. Step 7. Choose Emoji and Sticker. Step 8. Navigate to the Emoji tab. Step 9. Select your desired background color. Step 10. Choose the emoji you want to use. Step 11. Click on the checkmark icon. And there you have it. You've successfully added an emoji as a community photo in WhatsApp web. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more amazing WhatsApp tips and tricks. Don't forget to share this video with your friends. Until next time.